What's up? Yeah? You are me. Goodbye. Sunny day, boys. And that's weather. And I'm in my grandma's house. Yeah. But yeah, nice house. I want to say thank you for 24 subscribers. That means a lot to me. Oh my god. I was playing with my dog. And I hear that noise. You hear that, guys? What's that? My dad. Yeah, my dad is in Ireland. He's coming back tomorrow. Yeah. And guys, I'm making a new account. Not on YouTube, on my PS3. Same account on my YouTube. Oh god. And yeah. 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 So it's nice weather, I'll say. Really good weather. Yesterday was pissing down. The network on my, the account I always use. Me and my friend got same thing. Always like signed us out like when we went on games. Not signed us out on YouTube. Normal thing on menu. And Call of Duty Black Ops. And I don't know what I'm looking here for. And what was it? Yeah, BBC Outplay. It's really, really weird. Piss it out, piss it off. I want you to check this. Is my friend's channel. His name is. I will write down so you kind of subscribe him if you want. He's my Polish friend. He's good, but yeah, he's good. I want to be his. Try his best to, do easy. My dog's mate went to the shelter. That's an apple tree, and same thing as that. My dog loves apple, I don't know why. But yeah, I like this house. It's really good. And there's gonna be 6 minutes or 7 minutes, record. And yeah. Some idiot parked down there. Don't know why. Yeah, it's a good house. That guy there, the house back there. The house there, he's dead. Too much people dead here. He's old. That guy's really mean, but he's nice sometimes. But he's not. I would say he's a Peter, but he's not. He's very nice for kids. They got a dog, he's a white dog. Small dog, I can't remember what make, but she's a bitch. He's like, come to us and try to buy us. Murph, and my dog is awesome. So I'm gonna get my dog close to me in case he's trying to escape because my dog don't like don't like dogs. He likes sheepdogs. Yes, you are. He likes sheepdogs. Yes. We speak Welsh, so yeah. Yeah, you go. Goodbye. I don't kiss. Goodbye. The dog. He's my best friend. That's better, I'll say. I like it. But sorry guys, but my cousin got my Dazzle, and he's gonna borrow it like a couple of days or months. But I will get back. There's a 1 month and 1 week he's gonna borrow it, because he's doing YouTube too. But he's quite good. No, he is good, I'll say. He's not the best, but he's good. And he got his own, but his son tried, fix it. And he's gonna buy another one, and for my cousin, his cousin really. But yeah, that's weather. Very nice. I think I say it. Sorry guys, but good news. I'm making it like a town. I'll do an episode about that, but I'm not gonna help you do building stuff. This is gonna be your idea, like your thing on your Minecraft world. Then Battlefield soon after, after be level 1. It's quite good, good thing. But 2 villages, 1 village for my old account, so it's a good shot, but you can't really see it. Yeah, you are. Sniff me. Yeah. But sorry guys, I'm gonna pause it at 10:10, I think. 10 minutes. 10 minutes and 10 seconds. So my dog is there. He's Jack Russell Terrier. I see some of his neck. It's like a ball. Not like that, but something in his neck. So I don't really understand it. But he's good. He's a good dog. He's sleeping near to my bed. So if I can't sleep, he came up. Quite cool. And he snore. I'll record that. So loud. I will say shut up. And we got 4 chickens or 3. They are so fucking annoying. Annoying. When they, wake up. But they're okay. Sometimes they give us eggs for free. My dog don't like it. I'll record my cat today. Got a mice or something. I'll show you that. But if you don't want to watch it, you can go on different video. But it's quite bad. But I don't care. He's not eating it. She's not eating it. But I found a mouse she catched. So yeah. And no, 11 minutes. Come on. And yeah, lovely day. That's gonna be my vlog. I can't explain. I can't, what I mean. So, good house. Old house, So, I'll see you soon. I might see you tomorrow doing videos. Not seeing you, And please subscribe, please share, please put this favorite. Please like button. How many likes we can get? 10 maybe, or more. I don't care really, but I will do more videos like this. If I get 10 or 10, I will do more videos, like 2 more. If I get more that ones, another one. But I'll see you soon. I will do videos today maybe. I will try, but I'll do, it's quite hard. And yeah, I'll see you soon. I will make an account. I will show you how you make an account on PS3. How you signed in, whatever, if you want. Yeah, my dog. And peace out, man. Bye.